Hello guys, Prasanna here. Today we are going to learn some tricks on sweep cut option. For sweep cut or sweep boss, we need two parameters. One is sketch profile and one is the path. The method to create the path is you can go to 3D sketch and you can just click to this and you can convert the entities. This is the one method, or you can manually place it. And one more parameter we need, the sketch profile. If you are providing the sweep cut from this face, then no need of creating the plane. You can directly create the sketch using the new sketch option. But what if your profile you wanted here? You need the sketch profile here. For that we need to create the plane. So what and all methods available to create the plane on this point? The first method is you can use offset plane option. Select this face and choose the height by measuring. You can measure it using the measure tool and you can offset the plane, but that is time consuming. We wanted it quickly. What we can do? One more method is available. That is, we first create the path. Go to 3D sketch, select the edge and convert the entity, and just exit the 3D sketch. Go to features, select the plane option and select the end point of this curve. Now our plane is not normal to this curve, but what we need to do is we need to select the curve. Now we got the normal plane for this curve. This is the one option. There is one more option available. Before creating the path itself, we can create this plane. So how we can do that? I will delete this plane and path also. Select this line. If you want the plane over here, select near to that. This point is near to that. If you want the plane on this edge, then select near to this face, near to that point. So I need the plane over here, so I selected near to that. Now go to sketch and just press the sketch. Can you guys see now what we got here? Just exit the sketch and we will see what we got here. Can you see guys? On this point the plane is created. Now we can go and create our sketch. Go to normal view. I think we need to rotate this one. Now go to circle. I will create one profile. You can create your own profile. I will create one circle. Now exit the sketch. Now we need our path, right? Directly go to 3D sketch, select the edge and convert entities. Just exit the 3D sketch and go to sweep boss or swept cut. Select the profile and select the path. That's it guys. It's very simple, right? You can use this option in your daily life. This last option is the right. This is very good option, and you can save a lot of time while doing the design. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will learn how to make this U clamp. This is one of the interesting video. We will learn practically how to model this. This is a sheet metal model. We can learn in the next video. I will give the link in the end of the video so that you can watch it from there directly. If you like the video or if you got the trick properly, then please like the video and subscribe, as it helps me to create more good videos in future. I hope this video is reached to right people. Thank you guys once again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.